Let's jump right into this explainer on the ultimate cosmic mystery unfolding literally right above our heads.
Get this, the Andromeda Galaxy is barreling towards us at an insane 150,000 miles per hour.
Galaxies usually fly apart, like dots on an expanding balloon. So why is Andromeda attacking us?
The real culprit? A massive, invisible dark matter sheet that houses and pulls both our galaxies together.
Instead of a neat little sphere, it's spread out like a gigantic pancake, pulling us completely unevenly.
Meanwhile, expanding cosmic voids push matter away, basically funneling gravity like water running downhill, straight towards us.
This whole crazy scaffolding stretches 10 million light-years across, perfectly guiding Andromeda's trajectory right at us.
It's amazingly symmetrical. Earth formed 4.5 billion years ago, and in another 4.5 billion, a cosmic collision.
But hey, it won't be a solid smash. Gravity will just weave our stars into one giant galaxy, Milkomeda.
So what drives this whole dance? Dark matter. It actually makes up 85% of all cosmic mass.
Now get ready for a massive plot twist. What if our central black hole isn't actually a black hole?
Scientists are weighing two suspects right now, a traditional supermassive black hole or a dense dark matter core.
This clump of superlight particles perfectly explains the crazy fast inner orbits and the slower movements further out.
Even that famous 2022 shadow image of our galaxy's center could actually be cast by dark matter.
To be clear, this isn't hard proof against black holes. It just fits the observations absolutely perfectly.
Upcoming observations of photon rings will finally help us tell these two brilliant ideas apart for sure.
It's kind of humbling, right? The regular matter we can actually touch makes up just 15% of reality.
So, is the invisible architect driving our future destruction exactly what created our stars in the first place?